Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to see if someone reposted your TikTok. Trying to figure out who reposted your TikTok can feel like chasing a ghost. You know something happened, but you can't quite see who did it. What I usually do is open my video, tap the share arrow, and look for the repost icon or counter. If it's there, that means people have reposted it. Now here's the catch. TikTok doesn't actually show who reposted your video. That part is hidden for privacy reasons. So instead, I look for clues. Sometimes I notice a sudden spike in views, new comments like I saw this on repost, or even notifications if someone I follow reposted. If I'm using a creator or business account, I also check analytics because it gives a better picture of each reach and engagement. Even if it doesn't name specific users, in the end, you won't get a full list of names, but you can still see or tell when your content is being shared around, and that's usually a good sign your video is gaining traction. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.